All right, folks, here I want to show you what we did on class on 1 November, Monday, 1 November. I want you to know how to do the highlighting and paraphrasing in your textbook. So first go to classwork, right? You go to Google Classroom. It looks like this. Choose classwork. Go to Exploration 1. Scroll all the way down. Click on Login, right? And that's your class link login. And then you should be looking at something that looks like this. You click sign in with Google, and then you should be somewhere that looks exactly like this. Okay, now I'm going to go rather fast, so I want you to remember you can always pause this video, back it up. Okay, so here we are. First thing, second and third sentence, I want to highlight them. I highlight them with my cursor, and then I release, and then I get these options here. I click this, I say that's what I highlighted, right? That's what I want you to highlight. Everything that you highlight, and I'm going to do all the highlighting for you, but you have to do the paraphrasing. Everything that you highlight, I want you to paraphrase. You click on it, you add a note, and then I'm going to paraphrase this, which is basically, it says, balloons. Oh, I can't even spell balloons. Balloons go up and down, but they cannot be piloted horizontally, right? So the idea being that balloons can go up and down by adding heat or removing heat, but you can't make them go left, right, horizontally. Once you do that and you click save, then you should have it right here on the left hand side. Okay, but I'm going to just continue on. All right, so answer questions as you go along. It just kind of helps you know if you're keeping up with it. Okay, in this paragraph, I'm going to want you to get the last two sentences highlighted. Okay, and then you are going to add a note your own for this one. Okay, but I'm just going to continue on. All right, we're going to scroll through the online, or not the online, the hands-on lab. We're not doing any of the hands-on lab because we don't have the stuff. And I come to this paragraph afterwards called Formation of Wind. In this one, I want you to get this middle sentence. Okay, I want you to highlight the middle sentence, and I want you to highlight also higher density of air particles causes an area of higher pressure. So that's the second and kind of part of the last sentence in that paragraph under Formation of Wind. Okay, then also I wanted you to get let's see, when air gets colder, particles move more slowly and they're packed more closely together. Okay, and you can see that in the picture underneath here. Okay, all right, so highlight that, and then I also want you to highlight the last sentence, which says this horizontal movement of air is commonly known as wind. Okay, now remember, for each of these things you highlighted, you need to also paraphrase them. Okay, so this is what we're speaking of, this picture here. I'm going to continue on. Okay, you can answer these questions as you go along. If you just answer kind of and then you go check and uh-oh, I got one wrong, you could reload it and try again. All right, so in this paragraph, I want to get let's get cool dense air sinks. Okay, I want to have that, and I want to have warm, less dense air rises. Okay, and then I want to get the last sentence, which says this movement due to the different densities is called convection. Okay, there's a short video to watch here. There's some questions here. You can answer this question as well. And then here's the last paragraph I'm going to want you to highlight in. And all I want you to get is the second to last sentence. And you could see the italicized word in there. That's kind of a giveaway, but I want you to highlight that. Okay, you can continue on answering questions all the way to the end. Read this, answer the questions, but I'm going to want you to go back and remember, for each thing you highlighted, you need to make a note. Let me just show you how to do that one more time. So if I click on this and I add a note, and I'm going to write cyclic pattern, let's see, caused by density, and then I'll just say is convection cell. Okay, so I know I went really fast, but you could back that you could back that video up and watch it again. So you should have this done by Wednesday. All right. I'll see you on class on Wednesday.